Hello guys, how are you? Fine, good? Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme23. Hello to all my friends. Dubai Duty Free. Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, and Ship D. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Always. 10-0. 10-1. 10-1. Shout out to all my managers. Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan, Boss Salim, Madam Hazel, Madam Nori, Madam Ibet. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good job. Take care always. Three points, 10-7. Hello, Katropang Miguel, Loverboy, Ian Cas Office, Lester Patak, Carlos Batang Rega, 14-7, 3 points. Reggie Armani, Menjil aka Shoktong, Ompong, Sandro, 15-7, chase court. Eman, Tonyo, 16-11
Ompong,
guys.
My
Final
batchmate
score.
Rodel from Versace, Joen ng Bulgari, Dan Badagwas from Terminal 2. Stay pogi.
3 points, 18-11. Final score, 24-16.
Hi to all Discovery Garden boys from building 166, 164, and 175. Konsi,
Basket,
Roy Singson,
24-17.
Allen, Chato, Uncle Pitts, Kuya Ryan, Raymond Chong, Ryan Lopez, Arby Timbang, Ernie Gucci, Ryan Bullet.
Still, nice defense.
Stay safe,
Short.
stay healthy always.
Basket, 25-17. Final score. Nice pass.
Guys,
Good shot.
don't forget, subscribe and follow
25-18.
Yorme23. Thank you very much. Hello to Grace Catering and to all my friends,
27-18.
Cash Office Department.
Short.
Stay beautiful, stay safe, always.
Warning, 28-17. Bang! 28-20. Nice shot by Magsino. 3 points. Final score, 28-20. Bang! Game ball! 30-20. Team Levi win.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.